Hello, welcome to GCSE Photography. The next few slides give you some information about the GCSE course. We actually follow an AQA syllabus. The overview gives you some information about what sort of things we look at, the areas of study, and that ranges from close-up macro photographs. We look at manual functions on the camera, we do some portraiture, we do some landscape photography, but we do actually change it up each year and do whatever's relevant at the time. It then gives you some ideas of the annotation that's involved in photography. Now, to annotate means be able to describe what you've done well, what your photographs have taken, is there a shadow, what angle it's been taken from. So they all need to be analysed. So each photo shoot, pupils take 70 photographs and we always whittle it down to the best 9 and then we analyse those 9 photographs. The drawing that you see there of a stickman, while maybe comical, that's absolutely fine for the drawing element of the photography course. You need to be able to show your ideas. Now that drawing there is showing where the light would come from when a photo shoot was being done, and that drawing is absolutely fine. You can see a more detailed drawing further on, and that's for a mock exam. But that is also an example of somebody who did a very successful mock exam and actually did achieve a grade 9 at GCSE. Later on, people need to plan their photo shoots rather than just go and take loads of photographs. But that is a skill that we will teach later on. Is photography right for your son or daughter? The answer is, if they love taking photographs and are creative, it is really good. You must love taking photographs. People will get used to taking photographs wherever they go because we can always use those photographs in different photo shoots. The assessment is 60% coursework. Coursework is everything that pupils do from the time they sit down in the classroom beginning of year 10 all the way through to January 2023, which is when they get given an exam paper. We do give pupils a mock exam. And the mock exam is just to help pupils and give them some confidence as this is what's happening in the exam. So it's an exact replica, but then that mock exam does become part of the coursework. So again, 60%. The 40% control test, which does start in January 2023, as I mentioned, they get given a question, they go and research an artist that might influence how they take photographs, pupils take the photographs, and then the 10-hour exam is actually a practical exam. Obviously, they don't sit in a room for 10 hours without a break. It's broken down to sections 2 and 3 hours. Pupils have breaks and lunchtimes in between as well. And their actual exam is just all about the creativity and manipulating images on Photoshop. There's no written element in the exam at all. The next slide shows a list of careers and pathways which can be taken as part of GCSE photography as a further development. However, GCSE photography is just about doing something totally different and something that pupils love. We have lots of pupils actually who pick art and photography. They are very, very different courses. The last slide on here answers some questions that we get asked every year. There's lots and lots of questions that pupils will ask in school. That's what Miss Gibbard and I are here for. Miss Gibbard is going to be doing some slides in school and showing pupils a lot of this stuff in more detail. We'll also show them books so they can see exactly what's involved in the GCSE coursework. Any questions pupils have got, they just need to ask. We're here, ask questions on email as well. If you want to know anything, just let us know. Okay, bye.